Hey, this is Jamil, Mr. Cabinet Care, California's only 15-time winner kitchen remodeling company of the year. We've been in the business for over 34 years and have 23,000 satisfied customers. In this next video series, we're going to be talking about some of the repair videos for your kitchen cabinets, countertops, and more. In this video, we're going to talk about the 4 steps to reinstall a soft closing hinge. So let's get started. Alright guys, so every once in a while, you will open up your cabinets, you'll slam them shut, and you'll notice that the soft close feature is no longer there. And the soft close is this piece right here. It's also known as a blue motion. So if we want to reinstall this, it's a very simple 4-step process. Step number 1 is to pick it up. Step number 2 is to locate the 3 tabs that are on your blue motion. So on this one right here, we have 3 tabs right there. 1, 2, 3. Now, what we want to do is take those 3 tabs and align them right onto the square hole that's on the hinge right here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take those 3 tabs and we're just gonna place it right around there. Now that we have everything lined up, all we're gonna do is very simply use our thumb and our finger, and we're just gonna slide it right back into place. And there you go. That's it. Now our blue motion, our soft close is installed well. And now when we close our cabinets, we have that nice soft touch, just like we did before. And that's it for this video. If you have any cool ideas on what future videos you want to see on our channel, please drop us a line in the comment box below, give it a thumbs up, and hit the subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming videos in this series.